Today I'm going to show you the longest sky train in Bangkok, which is called Green Light. I mean, we have two actually green lights, which is the dark one, which is quite short, and the longest one is the light green color. As this line of the BTS is quite long with a lot of station, so I can't show you all in one video. So I will divide it to the two parts. Today I'm gonna take a train from the center, which is the Siam station, to the north, and the part two is gonna be from the Siam station to the south and Asian city. So stay tuned and don't forget to check the part two of this video as well. Let's go to take a ticket and ride. You can check the map also in the website of the BTS and the SkyTrain, and this line was the first line of the BTS in Thailand. So let me get the ticket. Hello. Yes. Thank you. Also, you can buy a Visa Rabbit card, which is make it easier for you to use the BTS. The price is not that much change, a little bit cheaper. Like, for example, if you take a train from the north to the south, the maximum price you're gonna pay is a 59 baht. But if you have a card, maybe it becomes like 58 or 56 baht. So, let me get on the train. This BTS line actually much easier than the other lines because they're moving inside the city center, and again, same as another train, you can see some of them they have digital boards and some of them still analog like this, so you have to follow by yourself. After Siam, the next station is Rangsit, and that's Theater, which is an interchange with the red line, airport link. See here, at theater you can change to the airport links. Don't forget to check the video about the airport links to Suvarnabhumi. Thanks guys. So I just changed my train because I want to use the newest one to have a screen like this, and I can show you the next station after theater is a Victoria Monument. Victoria Monument is very popular because lots of minivans around there to travel all around Bangkok, and also lots of shopping mall and quite nice area. So let me show you a little bit of Victoria Monument. There is a hard rain, and you can see when the rainy season in Thailand is become like this. And this square is called Victoria Monument Square. I hope you guys can see it.
Due to the current spread of COVID-19, passengers are required to wear medical or fabric-type face masks before entering.
So after Victoria Monument, you have Sanambao, which is not that special, but don't forget the Ari station.
While standing or sitting.
This line also known as the Samut line, and now you're at the Ari station. Don't forget to check the video about the Ari area, because Ari is one of the best for foodie people. There are lots of, let's say, tons of restaurants and amazing food in the Ari area that you guys have to check it. So don't forget to check the video, link in description. The building that you can can see over there, it's Rangsit Junction, and this is the Chatuchak Market. This station is actually Mochit, which is the station of the Chatuchak Market, and also interchange with the MRT Chatuchak. Don't forget to check the MRT link, and don't forget to check the Chatuchak video link in description. After Mochit, we have a High-Yak Lat Phrao, which is the next to the Central Lat Phrao. You can also, if you're interested, you can see the Central Lat Phrao in that station. Sorry, this station.
Thank you.
This beautiful park that you can see, it's Chatuchak Park, which is next to the Chatuchak BTS, Mochit's BTS. It's really nice. And today is such an amazing day, rainy, and the weather is so good. This park is really big and really nice for jogging. And if you have a weekend off, you can come and enjoy the time here. Central Plaza Lat Phrao, similar to another Central Plaza, one of the also old central here. And in this station, you can easy access to this central mall. It's called Central Lat Phrao. After few sessions in Rangsit Road, now we are at the Chatuchak University, Chatuchak University. This huge building that you can see here is the Chatuchak University, which you saw the station already. Sorry if my pronunciation is not correct because it's a little hard to pronounce Thai names. Out of the Bangkok in the north side, and on the way to the north station, which is called Khu Khot. If you guys want to go to the immigration in Changwatana, which is called Rangsit Area, probably you have to get off at this station, which is called what? Sri Manahat. So remember, it's not that close to immigration, but it's easy that you take a train, come here, and then take a taxi or bus and go straight to the immigration Changwatana. And this is the Wat Prasimahata. It's very beautiful.
Doors will open on the right-hand side of the train.
So after a few stations, we are coming to the Royal Thai Air Force Museum. This is actually a nice museum of the Air Force, and it's not bad to come and visit it if you have the free time. But we are almost out of the Bangkok, so this area is almost close to Rangsit and north of Bangkok. The station that you can see here after Royal Thai Air Force Museum, Yak Hour, which is a difficult name, but in this station you guys can easy access to the Don Muang Airport. You just need to take a taxi and then you can easily get to the Don Muang Airport. That's the Don Muang Airport, the place that most people travel by the Air Asia, and guess what? Now you can take a train, take a BTS and come closer to this station. Let me show you which station you have to get off. Before I show you the last station, I get off at this station, Yak Hour station, because I'm going to show you the area around here that you guys can take a taxi and easy go to the Don Muang Airport. So let me show you the area around a little bit. As you can see, there are tons of taxi over there that they're gonna easily bring you to the airport, and motorcycle here as well. But just keep in your mind that you have to use the exit 1, which is over there, and then when you get off, then there's the intersection. I'm not sure if I can zoom or not. Yeah, you can see the red light over there. In that intersection, mostly taxi will turn to the left and bring you direct to Damwon Airport. So let me go back to the train and show you the last station of this line. And by the way, in the last station, which is called Khu Khot, sorry again, my pronunciation is really bad. Let me see it here. Khu Khot. In this station, you guys also can go to the Dream World. And I'm sure all the kids and everybody know about the Dream World. Dream World is a kind of water park and a fantastic park that you guys can have lots of fun there. You can see the picture. So let me continue with the journey and finish it. I've almost arrived to the last station in the north, which is called Khu Khot. And as you can see, the train was empty, but this area is almost outside the city and quiet area. And that's a terminal station. You guys can see it over there. And this is the last station in the north. But I think in the future they're gonna extend this line more to go to the Rangsit area. But for now, this is the last station. So for now, this is the latest station of the BTS in the north. Let me show you what we have around here. Actually, there are not much things to see around here. As you can see, it's mostly countryside and villages. That was the end of my video for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. And unfortunately, there are nothing much to show you in this area. But I hope you enjoyed this tour. So once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the part 2, which I'm going to take from the Siam to the south and Samut Prakan, and I'll show you more in there. Once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And also don't forget to check these videos. And if you want to subscribe, you can hit this button. Thank you.